Hey guys, Owen from Owen Knives here, with a little Bonza Blade tip for you. Templates. If you've got a knife that you think you're going to make a lot of, or more than one of, just to keep things consistent, I like to make templates, so you can get the same size and shape and dimensions every single time. And another thing I do that I don't see too many people do is make scale templates. You can see the pre-drill holes here. So I take my two halves of the scale. Let's just imagine this is the scale. I cut them out, make sure they're flat, and I trace the outline of my template onto the scale. Stack the other one underneath, give it a nice clamp, take it to the drill press, and pre-drill these holes, and then lock it down with some samples of pin stock. And then I take it to the grinder. So that way you can get a little bit closer to your final profile. Then you can take it, then you don't have a great deal of work left to get it to this state. So you just have to give it a little bit of a clean up, and then you can actually start shaping from there once you get your profile done. Have a look at the video to follow, and yeah. Happy knife making.